Welcome back to Viet Flavours. Today we're making a colorful and mouth-watering pineapple chicken stir-fry, full of sweet, savory, and tangy flavors that pair perfectly with steamed rice. This dish is incredibly easy and quick to whip up, making it perfect for a delicious weeknight meal when you're short on time, but still crave something flavorful. Here's what you'll need. 375 grams of chicken breast, cleaned. 300 grams of fresh pineapple. 1 red bell pepper. Half of a purple or yellow onion. 2 green onions. 2 tablespoons cornstarch. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of MSG. And cooking oil as needed. For the sauce, 2 tablespoons pineapple juice. Note, you can easily use the juice from any canned pineapple. It works perfectly for the stir-fry sauce and saves you time. 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce. 1 tablespoon fish sauce. 1 tablespoon mushroom powder. 1 tablespoon freshly minced garlic. 1 teaspoon freshly minced ginger. 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Half a teaspoon sugar. Half a teaspoon ground white pepper. Let's get started. Cut the chicken breast into bite-sized pieces. Then place the chicken in a bowl and add 1 teaspoon MSG. One teaspoon garlic powder. And 2 tablespoons cornstarch. Toss until every piece is evenly coated. Then let it marinate for about 15 minutes. While the chicken is marinating, let's prepare the veggies. Cut the red bell pepper into bite-sized pieces. Dice the onion. And chop the green onions, keeping the white and green parts separate. The chopped white part of the green onions adds a lovely aroma when sautéed with the veggies, while the green part sprinkled at the end brings a fresh burst of flavor and color to the dish. Cut the pineapple into juicy bite-sized chunks. Now, in a small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons pineapple juice, 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 1 tablespoon mushroom powder, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, half a teaspoon sugar, half a teaspoon white pepper, 1 tablespoon freshly minced garlic, and 1 teaspoon freshly minced ginger. Stir well and set aside. Time to cook? Heat a little oil in a skillet over high heat. Add the white part of the green onions and sauté until fragrant. Add the onion, bell pepper, and pineapple, stir-frying quickly to keep everything crisp. Then transfer the mixture to a bowl. In the same skillet, add a bit more oil and cook the marinated chicken over medium-high heat. Stir often until the pieces turn golden and are fully cooked through. Pour in half of the sauce and let it sizzle for about 30 seconds. Stir gently, coating the chicken. Then add the cooked vegetables back into the pan. Pour in the remaining sauce and stir-fry everything together until nicely glossy and evenly coated. Just a quick note, don't overcook this dish. You want those veggies to stay fresh and crunchy for the best texture. Turn off the heat, sprinkle the chopped green part of the onions, and give it one final toss. Whoa, the aroma is absolutely amazing. And I just love the vibrant colors. This dish looks as good as it tastes. Transfer the stir-fry to a serving plate. Optional, but I love sprinkling roasted sesame seeds on top. They make the dish look even more inviting and add a lovely nutty finish. Your pineapple chicken stir-fry is ready. Beautiful, aromatic, and perfectly balanced in flavor. Serve it hot with steamed rice and enjoy every sweet and savory bite. Thanks for watching Viet Flavours. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you next time for another delicious dish.